Good morning, everybody. I don't know what's happening with my ISO, so I'm sorry if it's grainy. I don't think it's grainy. Anyway, look, I still have a little bit of a curl left in my hair from last night. I slept with like my hair like on my head. I'm about to head to Carmen, which is like, I don't know, like an hour away or so, because we're gonna set up the Christmas tree, which I'm super excited for. And I'm not gonna make today sad. I'm gonna make it happy because I love Christmas. So I just like woke up at 7 a.m. I was just up and you know what? I'm gonna make a cup of tea to go actually. Since I'm right here, I want a cup of tea so I don't have to stop anywhere. Yeah, we have a boy here. I got up early and I just put on some makeup. Oh, towel fell. Hey boy. So cute. Yeah, I put on a little, I don't know what I would call this, little holiday glam-ish. Got some like green, gold, and red going on. You know, the whole kit and caboodle. Boy, you look so cute right now. How do you do it? See, it's so dark, but then if I turn this up, it gets so grainy. I don't know what I did. It's super weird. Maybe that's okay. But that's still kind of like, I don't know. We have a baby over here. It's her spot. Hey, sweetie. Oh my God, she's so warm with this lamp. Oh my God, it's so warm. Hey, sweetie. Yeah. What is happening over here? Lucky Girl pop-up shop? What is that? Ooh, it's so frozen in my car. Oh my God. I had started it so early too. It's so cold. What is the temperature out right now? This is craziness. Oh, it's minus 16. Okay, that makes sense. But at least it's sunny outside. Like sunrise. I don't know what's happening with this, but it's so grainy. It's like whenever I turn it on, the ISO just like switch it. I don't know what's happening. I feel like I should almost go out and scrape this. Oh, I don't want to. This is the worst part. It's the worst. All of the boxes. Ooh. And the tree. Okay, layer one. Layer one's done. My camera's being weird. Why does it keep doing that? What the heck?
Hey, Cola, where have you gone hiding?
He's hiding from me.
He's been sleeping an awful lot lately. It's kind of weird.
It's because he's a sleepy boy. Yeah, it's better. Ooh. Are you just saying that?
No, far from it.
Oh, it does look good.
No, it looks, I mean, the lights are like perfectly positioned.
Well, you know.
I know.
This is not my first rodeo. Looks pretty. Alright. Get some ornaments on this biatch.
You're very much like me, babe.
Crazy?
No,
No.
I took Christmas decorating very, very seriously.
Well, this is the most serious thing we can possibly do.
It's just like, you talk to Kevin and Shannon about it and they're like...
Oh, it's really bright. Oh, it's because this string.
Now, I'm thinking this is done. They're so done, babe.
Oh, yeah.
Like...
They're a little old. We can throw these.
I really like
this was from when the bathroom was blue.
I really like it.
It's old.
But it's
stingy.
Well, you know what? That's not urine or anything. That's just wear.
Yeah. So chuck it.
I think I can buy a new one.
I think I can too. Would that be cute?
This on the tree.
Look, do you still have that angel, or what did we put on it last year?
We put an angel. We did do that.
I guess we can put her a little bit more. That's cute though, huh? I guess we'll have to see if it matches with it though. I'll put this on.
I'm kind of doing like Santa Claus downstairs. Take like Santa Claus.
I'm modeling.
Yes. Beautiful. You heard me though, right? I'm kind of doing Santa Claus downstairs, so I'm going to take these downstairs, okay?
Okay, that sounds good. Just chuck them down there. Don't take them down.
Well, I'm going to take this too. I'm not sure. I've never been able. It's kind of a stupid thing. I never know what to put in it.
It was a poinsettia that you got in there.
Exactly, but it's so cute.
So put a different plant in there.
So I don't know, maybe some red balls or something.
Or chocolate.
Candy.
Put candy in there. That'd be cute.
I'm going to take this down.
Okay. I'll get working on these lights here. Wait, no, I've done the lights. Okay. Okay. So, for decorations, we got a lot. We have here these balls, a whole bunch of different ones. Look, and the cats have little stockings. It's so cute. They're little stockings for the cats. So cute. Then we have all these balls. Maybe this angel. I think she's retired. And then all of these. Ooh, and all of these. So pretty. I love it. It's so gorgeous. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, it's coming along. I put a Santa hat up here. Cute. Soy. Cute. Oh. What you got going on down there? All right, I'm gonna get these little mice. Okay. What is she doing here? Oh yes, the balls. Very cute. Very cute. Cute. Soy. Cute.
I just don't think this light is a good light to have.
Look into it. It's your time. It's your moment. It's your time. Glamour shot. You're a dog. Here. What's this? Is this a hat? Hold on. Let me get your hat on.
On one ear? On one snout? Oh, it actually.
Is that gonna choke you?
No. There's so much skin there.
Wow. Does it look good?
That's so cute.
Does it look good there?
Yeah.
There's a light right behind.
Wow, you look very good. That is very sweet. You look so funny. What you want it out? Oh, come here, I'll take it off of you, sweetie. Hey. Hey. It's okay. Here, we'll put it like this.
I think Jax is feeling left out.
Do you want it on? Come on. Come on. There you go. Wow, that's cute. Jackie, look it. I don't... Dog.
She hates cameras.
Come here. Wow, that's nice. She hates it too. I think she hates him more. Oh, is that why?
Yeah.
Maybe she thinks it's a toy. It's not a toy. Is it, cutie? No. No, it's not. That's not a toy.
I'll cut that. I hate it.
Oh, you're gonna knock that over, aren't you? Oh, hey, I didn't tell you you could sleep.
Are they getting better though?
Oh. Okay. Okay. You go to sleep then.
That's all that thing does is sleep. Sleep and fart.
Wait, did I get did I bring the album?
Well, she's 8 dog years old, honey.
She's almost
Oh,
nine.
no, I didn't. What other one did I bring though?
The little red one.
The paw one? Or maybe you left it in your car?
Oh, maybe.
You have any tips? I said, yeah.
Darn.
She moves up the strap.
Did you just knock that off? Excuse me. Ma'am?
I'm the first person in the family not to graduate college. Literally stopped going to class. Didn't tell her parents. Forced.
You look good?
Missed it for an entire semester. So my mom still was emotional about that.
Put it on her.
I think that it's like it's very. This isn't. It's not gonna choke her. Okay.
There's so much skin there.
She's so heavy, I can't lift her up.
Just gotta lift her head.
Oh. I can't. Oh. Come here.
So me and Katie don't go through a lot of trouble, Katie.
Okay.
Oh.
It's okay. All right.
I made the receipt for coming there.
Hi, baby.
She's like, who the fuck is this?
I don't know how to do it right. No, she's Santa's helper. This isn't right.
There you go.
Put it in front of her ear.
Yeah.
How's your weekend?
It was. I laid in bed. Oh no, I went out for dinner last night. I didn't lay in bed. I was busy. It kind of all just blurs into one. Oh, cutie. Come here, you. Can I pull on your face gently?
You can pull on her face as fast.
So what are your hours, Katie?
9 to 5. Once I'm done orientation, I can do my own thing. He said, like, if I want to do 8 to 4,
Here.
or
Look at me.
if I need a day off in the week, I can go in on a Saturday. Yeah. No, I was so happy to